guys, welcome back to my channel.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
So as you can see by the title, today I'm doing a closet organization video. I'm gonna quickly give you an overview of my room because my room is a mess. One corner that is so dirty because of my clothes. Column that is too dirty. This is basically a place you're supposed to sit and watch outside, like place where you literally sit and like watch outside. But oh my god, my window is so dirty. I'm so embarrassed. Oh, I'm really exposing myself in this video. When I say my room is a mess, I'm not even exaggerating. I'm literally serious. And mainly it's cause of my clothes. Whenever I try new on clothes, or even if I'm going out, I have to try like 100 outfits so I can choose one in it, and that's what happens. And all the 99 outfits create a mess in my room. So my room is a mess, and there are clothes on the floor, on the couch, on the chair, on the side table, everywhere. The clothes are everywhere and it's annoying me now. It has come to a point where I don't have place to walk in my room, and that's so not me. I always clean my room. Like, I am very organized. There are days when I get lazy, and when the room is already dirty, I make it more dirty, and yeah, that's the story of my life. So I'm gonna be cleaning out my closet. I'm gonna be cleaning everything out. I have chapstick on. How should I eat it? So basically, my mom says you should not eat and talk, so we are. Closet only takes me like days to clean the closet. It's not gonna be done in one day, I'm pretty sure about it. Like, whenever I clean my closet, I keep all the clothes on the bed and then I clean it. But I know when I clean my closet, it doesn't take just a day for me. So what I like to do is I take a bed sheet, put all the clothes in that, and I like to divide them in 3 columns. That is donating, selling, keeping, and a laundry bag also. I like to keep a laundry bag with me. I don't know why I'm like that. If the clothes are there for a long time in my closet and if they don't smell nice, I put them for laundry. I don't know. One more weird problem that I have is, like, sometimes they get attached to my clothes. Like, sometimes if I'm wearing something new and I have a good day, I'll be like, okay, like, you know, this cloth is lucky for me. I don't know, it's so weird. Or if something, like, you know, nice happens to me or something special happens to me and I'm wearing that piece of clothing, I will just keep it for memory. I don't know, like, why I do that, but I do that. It's literally 4:30 right now, and I plan on making this video at 1 o'clock, so I really need to start cleaning now. Okay, so let's get on to the video. So first, I'm so sorry for my specs. I really cannot see, I'm blind. And second, I got a bed sheet and I got a suitcase. So the things I need to sell, I'm gonna keep it in the suitcase, and all the clothes in general I will be putting in this bed sheet. So what I like to do is I like to pick a corner that doesn't come in my way, and I'm gonna be putting this bed sheet on, and I'm gonna be like putting on my clothes in it, and then I'm gonna be like 1 2 3. Just the thought of cleaning my room is stressing me out because I feel like it's gonna take so much time. You gotta do what you gotta do. Let's do it. So basically, I'm gonna be taking all the clothes that are over here and I'll be putting it in this bed sheet and figure out what needs to go where, and then I will take out the clothes that is in my closet. I got all the stuff from there and I put it on the bed sheet. Now coming to these stuff is actually my mom's traditional stuff. I know I'm obviously gonna keep all the stuff. It's just that I don't have a place for them yet, so gotta do that. Now I'll be cleaning and dividing my clothes while listening to music, but you only gonna watch the time lapse that I'm going to take. First pile of my clothes are done, and mostly out of them are laundry clothes, so I gotta wash them. I gotta do laundry tonight. y'all remember how I told you I pick a corner and I took a corner that doesn't come in a way where I'm walking? Well, I was wrong. So after doing the second pile, my motivation left my body and I went out, and I only did 2 piles till now, and the second pile was mostly laundry. I look so freaking ugly right now, please don't mind me, but it is day 2nd and here's an update. I didn't do anything since yesterday. What a shocker. I saw that coming. That I have done the last pile of my clothes. I'm done with that, and the only thing left is now closet. So this is day 3 of trying to clean my closet, and today I am directly jumping into my closet. So first I'm gonna start with all the clothes that I have hung on the... First I'm gonna start with these clothes, and then I'm gonna just go step by step to the shelves. So first I wanna declutter like this part and then this part, and then see what to do. Also, my closet is literally gonna give up now and break. It's already broken from one end, and that's because I have put so much clothes on the hangers that it just can't take anymore, I guess. So I can't even lift it down. So like this thing is completely broken, and this thing is okay because I have all like light tops on this, but like if you can see, this thing has like literally come out because of all the hoodies and stuff I have on this corner. I'm already tired. Oh my god. Okay, so first I'm gonna get into these clothes and see what I'm going to sell and donate and keep, and divide them into 3 piles, and then get back to y'all. So before anything, I need to hydrate myself or I'm going to faint. Okay, so we're gonna give away all the clothes that doesn't bring joy to us, and we're gonna keep the ones that bring joy to us, basically. Okay, the first thing is this Adidas long t-shirt dress, and it's in the size XL, and the reason I got this was because I wanted to wear it on cycle shots. I haven't worn this much, but at the same time I just don't want to sell it just because I haven't worn it much. I just wanna give it another try. I think I can pull it off. In my head I can imagine that this will look bomb on cycle shots, so we're gonna keep that. The second thing that I have is this top. This top also brings a lot of joy to me. I got this from Only, and this is one of the top that I always go for when I have nothing to wear. I really like this top. This brings a lot of joy to me, so I'm gonna keep it. This is the third top. It's a red crop top. Now I love this top so much, and this is from Zara, and it was quite expensive. 2 of these, one in black and one in this color. I really like this top, but the only reason is whenever I go to wear a crop top, I always go this in black color rather than red color. I like this, but I think like I need to let it go because I have seen myself not like going for it. Like this top and the black one are like hung together, and I always end up picking the black one but not this one. So I'm gonna sell this with a heavy heart. So the next thing that I have is this top. Now I am not gonna give this away because I got this when I went for a vacation to Switzerland. I got this from there, and I still have a tag on. I haven't worn it yet. Some of my tops or my clothing that I only keep because of the memory of it. I just have this memory clothing, like I went there so I wore this, I don't want to give it. So I have this really beautiful top. I love it so much. It gives me those Blair vibes. I got this and I wore it to Paris when I went, and that was so special to me, and I just want to keep it just because I wore it in Paris. But I think I need to give it away and sell it because I have only worn this once, and written Babe on it, B-A-D-E, and it's like this long. And when it comes to stuff like this, I just cannot pull it off. I just feel that I just cannot. I have tried all the ways to style it. It just doesn't look good on my body. Think that someone else can pull it off better than me, so I don't want to sell it, but I'm finally letting it go and selling it. I have took out all my jackets. I always have like one corner for my like tops and stuff, and one corner for my jackets and my hoodies, and I always do that because I am always cold. It is so hot outside and I'm still feeling cold. Like that is me all the time. So all my clothes are gone from here, and I have this area now. This is like some of my brand new clothes. Okay, so I got a whole bunch of clothes from there, and I just want to figure this out first. And half of these clothes existed, I didn't even knew. So I was searching for this hoodie for the longest time now, and it was kept like under all my clothes. I'm so disappointed in myself. First thing that I have is my Disneyland hoodie. Gotta wash it. Next thing I have is this top. Now this is actually has a very fun story behind it. This top, my mom got this 10 to 15 years back from Missouri when we used to stay there. This top for herself, and then doing it for the some time I took her top. So this top has been with me for 15 years, and not gonna lie, this top looks so beautiful on me, and it's so cute. It says flat shoes, and I remember we got this when we used to go to Missouri. We used to go to this market that used to sell such like less price clothes. So I got this from there. Not gonna sell it. Emotional story behind it, so no, I'm gonna do that. I'm very tired. So all these clothes are for selling. I'm shocked to see of how many jeans that I've decided to let go. Like, right now what left are the 2 drawers that I need to clean. So I need to sort out those drawers, and I am very tired and I'm very hungry, and I don't want to do this anymore. I'm gonna take a break. There's no one to help me. It's so freaking hot, and I also want to sleep. Whenever I take break, the breaks just go too long. Hi guys, so this is after a week of filming my last clip. After my last clip, I went and did everything. I folded my clothes, I hung it, and I thought I'm gonna just record the results later. I thought I have recorded everything, and so I was editing this video and I realized I didn't. The rest of the stuff I did off camera. I have never seen my closet so neat and clean because I always had so many clothes. It looked kind of messy, but now it looks so neat and clean, and I'm gonna show you guys now. Starting off with the clothes that I hung are these. I color coordinated it. I put like all the whites and all the blacks, red and blues. I kept all my hoodies, and I removed the boxes, and without the boxes this area looks so clean. It looks so neat and clean. Having anything under those clothes. Always kept my tops in both of them, but I am so shocked that I got rid of so many clothes that now under this I keep all my pants, like these all are like that's all, and then these all are my pants. I'm so happy. And I kept this box because I have too many clothes that I wear at home, like my night suits and stuff, so I can like put my extra night suits in this. I'm so happy with how it turned out to be. I always had a problem with having too many tops that I don't even wear, but with a heavy heart I finally got rid of them. I'm so happy that my cupboard looks so neat and clean. I have like 2 cupboards, like one on that area and one this, but like that area only contains of my party wear stuff. I obviously haven't been partying, and I never thought that this will look this neat and clean. So I'm very happy with the results. So that's all for my video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.
All the girls around the world, they wanna be